Is your child obsessed with the ocean and all things fantastic? Well, get ready to dive into a world of underwater adventure because we're looking at the Dream Factory Sharks Boys full queen bedding set. This isn't just any comforter, it's a ticket to a playful sea exploration right in their bedroom. Right out of the package, you can feel the quality. This set is made from 100% cotton, which is a huge plus for comfort and breathability, especially for kids. The comforter itself is a generous 88 by 86 inches, perfect for a full or queen-size bed, and it comes with two shams measuring 20 by 26 inches. The design is super cute, friendly blue sharks swimming with little schools of fish against a deep navy background. It's not too scary, just fun and whimsical, making it ideal for a wide age range, from about 5 years old all the way up to teens. What I really appreciate about this set is how easy it is to style a room around it. Dream Factory suggests mixing and matching with their other items like sheets and curtains, which is a great idea for creating a cohesive look. The comforter is designed for year-round use, which is fantastic. You can layer it up in the winter or use it on its own during warmer months. Durability is also a big selling point here. The brand claims the colors stay vibrant, and the softness lasts even after multiple washes, and honestly, the fabric feels really good against the skin. No scratchy materials here, just pure comfort for a good night's sleep. Cleaning is a breeze too, as the whole set is machine washable. This is a lifesaver for parents, let's be honest. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays, and it's a simple way to transform a child's room into a fun, themed space. If you're looking to add some under-the-sea charm without being overwhelming, this shark bedding set is a solid choice. It's cozy, durable, and undeniably fun. Overall, the Dream Factory Sharks bedding set delivers on its promise of a fun and comfortable bedroom upgrade. It's a well-made, 100% cotton set that's easy to care for and looks great. A definite win for any young shark enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.